intergalactic and we're long gone. Can't take no more. There's just one way, we got to escape to the unknown. Gotta lose it all. Jump into the deep end, overflow. Dive until you reach that on the wall. Lose it all. Floating up your airways, drowning down. Sometimes when the high's so hard, gotta break it down.
Hey, what's up? It's Bill with Seeds of Nature Watergardens, and I am in Talent, Oregon, about to start a 12 by 14 ecosystem pond project. Let me flip it around and show you the project. So we got the front of the house right here. We got beautiful, beautiful views, mountain views everywhere. And right here, right in the front, you see they have their chairs set up. So they have an existing fountain that we're going to take out, and I'm going to try to integrate this into the pond. But you can see kind of somewhere where the paint's at. So this is going to be 12 by 14, and then we're going to have a 12-foot stream, and I'm going to build a berm up here. Probably take out some of the grass as well so that I can have a berm come in this way. Maybe I'm going to go it this way. I still haven't really decided too much yet. More of a shallower section, a few feet of shallow section leading up to the falls, the first head of the falls. And we're going to have stepstones that go to the other side of the yard. It's going to be really cool. We're going to have fish cave on here. We have I got some premium rocks. So we're going to have moss rock, which has a lot of lichen and whatnot. That should be delivered tomorrow. And that's it. Yeah, let's get to work. All right, so we got the pond dug out. We got our liner and our underlayment and fish caves. We also have the skimmer installed as well. We have the overflow dug out too and attached. So now it's time to rock it in. All right, so I got it all rocked in pretty much. Now I'm just edging, detail work, the final 10%, cleaning the rocks down so that it's not too chocolate milky whenever, I run it all. I got just a bunch of little touch-up stuff, all my edges, top of the waterfall, just making sure everything looks good, make sure everything's graded, make sure that, it looks right, that it doesn't look like a volcano popping out of the ground. So let's keep going. All right, that's a wrap. Came back after a little bit, let the clients plan it and let this mature a little bit, and it looks fantastic. I hope you love it. Clients love it. And that's it. Appreciate you watching. All right, peace.